witnessing firsthand, you can't help but be touched and actually also be a little bit humbled by the capacity for giving that New Zealanders have. And finding projects such as these with UNICEF, and even better where the Morgans help with some funding as well. It's just terrific to be involved.
I see myself very much as a representative of so many donors, and think they would really appreciate, as I have, the opportunity to see that the work that's been done and the difference it's made to the lives of young people. We've been to 3 different schools now, and we've seen facilities which were not there before. We've seen classrooms, we've seen latrines, we've seen furniture in classrooms that really give children an opportunity for education. Actually for a healthy outcome for the whole village in some ways, because as we know, those latrines and that fresh water is not just actually for the school. It's the only latrine or the only toilet in the village. It's the only fresh water. You've got a lot of choices about where you put your money, and a lot of worthy causes out there now. Every time I put $1 down, then the Morgans put their $1 down next to it. So it seemed to me that was a really worthwhile thing for me as an individual to do.
Refurbishing of the schoolrooms, putting in safe water, mainly through harvesting, and also putting latrines, which helps the health of the children. So this project was partly funded by Gareth and Joe Morgan and partly by our own donors, you, and I would like to thank you for your part of this project, which has been a great success. We've really been pleased at what we've seen, and it's only been possible because you have joined with us in this work. Thank you very much.